Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating an eye look using the Zulu palette from Juvia'S place. I'm going to start this tutorial by applying this pink shade as my transition color. Then I will go in with my Maybelline concealer and create a cut and crease. I'm gonna take this purple shade and apply it on my outer corner. Then I'm gonna dip into this orange shade and apply it on my inner corners. After that, I'm gonna go back and dip into this yellow shade and apply it right in the middle. Then I'm gonna go back and make sure each color blends with each other seamlessly. I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. Then I'm gonna clean up the eyeliner with the concealer. Next, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and use it to highlight. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend all the concealer. After that, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick and contour my face. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend all that contour. I'm gonna go in and set the concealer with my Sacha setting powder. I'm gonna dip into this purple shade and apply it on my lower lash line. To highlight, I'm gonna be going in with my Lottie London shimmer palette. I'm gonna set everything with my NYX setting spray. For my lips, I'm gonna be going in with my Makeup Revolution lipstick. Here is the finished look. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. Until next time, goodbye.